Okay, so we're going to do mixed fractions, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we better write the date down too. So today's May. What's another date?
I think it's 14th.
And we're going to do with equivalent. Okay, we're going to deal with equivalent fractions. So let's go to the very first one on your page, okay? So if you take a look, the very first question you guys have is 3 over 6.
Yeah.
Now they've asked you to reduce it. In order to reduce it, you have to find what? Do you know?
You have to find the common factor.
Yeah, a common factor, right? So I can quickly on the side if I want, I'll do it in another color. I can find the common factors of 3 and 6. So what I can do is I can write out all the factors. What are the factors of 3?
You can go by 3.
Okay. So what times what equals 3?
3 times 1.
3 times 1. Any other ones? No, that's it. How about 6?
6 times 1.
6 times 1 is a common factor.
And that's it.
There's another.
Oh no, 3. 2 times 3.
2 and 3, yeah. So you know what's good though? If we write them in order. So 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay? So we'll get rid of what we had up here. Just so it's easier to look at.
Yeah.
Now we got to find the greatest common factor because there's actually more than one factor here. If you guys look, 1 is a factor, right?
Yeah.
So I could have divided both of these by 1, but is that going to change anything? No, it won't change anything. What's the only other common factor?
3.
3, yes. That's the greatest common factor.
Yeah.
So they taught you about GCF,
Yeah.
greatest common factor.
Yeah.
That's what we have to find, greatest common factor when we reduce it. So our greatest common factor is 3. So that means I can divide both these terms by the number 3.
Yeah.
So if I divide this by 3, and I divide this by 3, I'll end up, what is 3 divided by 3?
1.
1 over, and what's 6 divided by 3?
2.
Excellent. All right, so that's reduced. This is our reduced form. Reduced. And this is to, what do they call it? Simplest? Okay, they call it simplest. Simplest form. So we've reduced to simplest form. But what's funny about this is there's actually a lot of other equivalent fractions to 3 over 6. Can you think of any other ones?
Can there be 6 over 12?
6 over 12. Yes, that's right. How would you get that?
You would multiply 3 times 2 and 6 times 2.
Yeah, that's right. If I multiply the top by 2 and the bottom by 2, I'll end up with 6 above 12. See, with this idea, multiply, I can come up with millions of different equivalent fractions. Ready? Let's do a couple more. What else can you think of? It's also equal to?
We can do 9 over 18.
9 over 18. What did you multiply by?
I multiplied by 3.
That's right. So 9 over 18, and we multiplied. Let me just put this little note here. Multiplied by 3. You get here. And what if we multiplied by 10?
That would be 30 over 60.
Yeah, that's right. 30 over 60. So all of those are equivalent fractions. But what they're asking you for on our page right now is they want it in simplest form. So the simplest form, we have to do the greatest common factor and divide.
Yeah.
So the very first thing we did here, that's the important part. Oh, I'm running out of battery power. Okay? So that's the important part. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So let's keep going. Question number 4. Question number 4 said you had 18 over 36. And I wanted you to reduce it. So technically, what do we have to do first?
First, you have to find the common factor.
Okay, so let's write all the factors of 18. What are the factors of 18?
You can get 1.
Yeah.
9. 2.
2. Yeah.
And 6.
6. Yeah.
And 3.
One other you're missing. 1 times what equals 18?
Oh, you can do 18.
Yeah. So always, if you're going to do them, always do them in pairs, right? So 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 6 and 3.
Yeah.
And then we can reorder them after. We have 1, 2, 3, and then the next one we can use 1, 2, 3. Next biggest one is 6,
9,
9,
and
and 18. So now we've used them all in order.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's another one. We'll just do 36.
you can get 1,
1 and
36.
Yeah.
4,
4,
9,
Yeah.
2,
2 and
3.
what do you multiply it again?
Oh no, by 12.
Not quite.
Yeah, 3.
What about
18.
2 times what gives you 36?
Oh, 18.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
18. What else?
Um,
Someone said 3.
yeah.
3 and
And then 12.
there's one other. Multiply it by itself to get this. It's bigger than 5 and less than 7.
Oh, 6.
Yeah, 6 times 6, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's reorder that one too. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
9,
9,
12,
12,
18.
and
36.
36. Alright, we just figured it out. Okay, so now we have to find the group. Well, let's find all the common factors. So 1 common factor?
You use 1,
What else?
2.
Yep.
3.
Yep.
6.
Mhm.
9.
Yep.
18.
18. Wow, look at that. All of them work for there. But we're looking for which one?
You can use the high, like you look for the highest.
Yeah, we're looking for
Yes,
18.
18.
That's the most important one right now. We're looking for 18. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide both of them by 18.
Yeah.
So what does that become now?
That
18 divided by 18 is
1.
Yep.
Over 2.
over 2. That's it. Very good. So we found all the factors. Excellent. All right, let's move on to the next part.